Best way to format integer as string with leading zeros? I need to add leading zeros to integer to make a string with defined quantity of digits, $CNT. What the best way to translate this simple function from PHP to Python? Is there a function that can do this?
You can use this fill method to pad a string with zeros.
The standard way is to use format string modifiers. These format string methods are available in most programming languages, via the sprint function in C for example, and are a handy tool to know about. To output a string of length 5. In Python 3.5 and above, f-strings. Search for f-strings here for more details. Python 2.6 and above. Before Python 2.6. See this URL.
Python 3.6 f-strings allows us to add leading zeros easily. Have a look at this good post about this feature.
You most likely just need to format your integer. For example,